Hi everyone, Del here, welcome to the channel. Today I wanted to take a look at the new Stanley pour over. So this is a coffee filter for your camp cups and things like that for out in the field. It saves you from, basically you can make percolated coffee but out in the field. So all your ground coffee and stuff we can put inside this and put it over your cup, and it's got a stainless steel diffuser that we can just wash, so there's no paper involved. So that's it there. It's pretty good. I'll do a wee demo of this. That's the diffuser there. So we can just wash it and put it over any mug, really, any camp mug. It'll sit on top. It's ribbed on the bottom, so it will sit on top of camp mugs. Now, we're all pretty much used to Stanley products. I love Stanley products. I've got a 1 litre Stanley flask that I had when I was in the services. So I mean, geez, must be, oh, I wouldn't even like to hazard a guess. Say what, 1992 or something I must have put that up in. So work that out for yourselves, how long that's survived for. And it's been, it could tell you a few stories, put it this way. And the inside isn't as clean as that, I'll tell you that, but I think that adds to the character of it. So I'll do a quick demo of this, see how it goes. And we're going to be using some tactical coffee. Now this is, you can buy this, it's a UK veteran and serving members owned coffee franchise, almost, what do you call it? And you have, like, this one especially is the strongest, the caffeinated violence. I love the name of that, it sounds perfect. Ugly 50, and then the tactical coffee as well. So it's all different strengths of coffee. I'm really looking forward to this. So it's military and veteran coffee. So we'll try it. There's lots of different ones out there. You know, I've used them before. Contact Coffee, even in the new one, 999 Services, which is the police, first responders and things like that. That's good coffee too. But this one I've not tried before, Tactical Coffee. I'm looking forward to that. I imagine this one's pretty much well on buzzing, but so maybe don't need that just now. We'll maybe just go for a nice Ugly 5. We'll try that out. And this, the pour over cup, and we'll crack on with that and have a look and see how we get on. So let's go to that. So I'm going to use my little Pathfinder alcohol stove set to get a brew on the go. I've not used this, so it's pretty much new out the box, but we'll get set up and see how we are. See if we can get this lit first time, right? There we go. So that's a light. So I've got it in the tray just now, just for safety purposes, because you know us backyard bushcrafters need to do that when we can't get out and about. We've got some water in there, the canteen. I'll get that put on. And then while that's brewing away, we'll take a look. So they've brought out new camp, well, not so much new camp mugs, but we treated myself to a new camp mug. So that's the Stanley camp mug, the traditional Stanley colours. It's traditional Stanley bulletproof, absolutely bomb proof. These things are, they really are. I love Stanley products. You might pay a little bit more for it. I'm sure you can buy some shitty Chinese equivalents, but what's the point? Spend a bit extra, get some good quality. So a little bit about this, the pour over. It's what we're here to see, or here to try. So it's got the stainless steel diffuser in it, different levels for your coffees. It makes up one to 3 mugs, it says, and it will sit on any mug. I'll show you how that works. It just sits on like that. So nice firm secure fit for when we're pouring in the coffee. They all come with lots of instructions. The box itself basically tells you 1 to 6 cups, reusable filter, can be used with most bottles and mugs, and it's dishwasher friendly. Not that you've got many dishwashers out in the field, but there you go, for when you bring it back after you've been using it and it's bogging. there's a little bit more about it there. Tells you how to make it. But we've all made coffee before. You don't need me to tell you how to do that. Well, that's boiling away. We'll take a look at the Tactical Coffee Company. Again, it's a UK military veteran company that make the different coffee stuff. They also do different apparel and stuff like that, so t-shirts, hoodies, everything like that. All stuff we like. Basically, we know how to hit the market. So we'll get the coffee open. As you can see, I've been playing with the sharpener with all my knives. Everything's razor sharp now, which isn't the worst thing, but at the same time I've had a few cuts. So let's get the coffee in there. Once you've opened these packets, then I keep loads of different types of tins about, so we can put the coffee grinds just into a nice sealed unit. Up to you how many you put in. You know, you can put 3 or 4 good coffees in. I'm only making the one, so I'll just put that 3 in. I'm looking forward to this. Oh, the smell. If you could smell that, it's absolutely amazing. Can you believe that's us into October next week? I just can't believe where 2020 is gone. And really, to be honest with you, I'm glad it's nearly gone. I'm sure everybody is. SA6. I'm a huge SA fan. Love SA knives. Just thought I'd show you that. They're one of the best knives out there. And like you see, been playing about, got a good edge on that. So I'm getting better at my edges, which I'm pleased about. I just need to try and get that polished look on it. I like to see the polished edge, but that takes a bit of extra work. But I'm working on it. So, coffee's on. And just talk amongst yourselves for now. So we'll get this going and get a nice brew on. Shouldn't take too long. So let's get ourselves a brew on. Let's put that out. I've just poured that up to the top a wee bit. But oh, let's hope that I've not overdone that. We'll find out in a minute. Now, you can hear that diffusing. Oh, looking good. If you could only smell that, it's absolutely amazing. That's a lovely coffee. Just going to give that a little stir. It says on the box to give it a little stir actually, and it just helps move the grinds up. That does smell good. We'll find out in a minute how good it tastes. I'm actually just going to sit that on top of there so it drops. So there you go. Tactical Coffee Company. That's the Ugly 50, and that's the Stanley pour over and the Stanley camp mug. Oh, that's a nice coffee. So that was a quick look at the Stanley pour over and the Tactical Coffee Company. That's mighty good. So check those out, guys. Check out the Stanley pour over and Tactical Coffee. Get lots of different flavours there. But cheers everyone. Have a great weekend. Del out.
Mm.